calculus, we have to find the slope of the tangent to the curve x squared plus 2xy plus 3y squared equal to 7 at the point 1, 2. Now this is how you're going to approach this problem. Now before you dive into the solution to this problem, kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel. Now let's look at the question. When you are asked to find the slope, it means you're asked to find the derivative 1. You're also asked to find the differential coefficient, or you're asked to find dy dx. Dy dx, derivative, differential coefficient, they all mean the same thing. You get? Now, so you have to find the slope of the tangent, and remember this is the curve. X squared plus 2xy. This is the equation of the curve at the point. X will be 1 and y is 2 by coordinate geometry. Now, let me bring out the solution so we can start. Now, let's look at what we have. We have x squared plus 2xy. X squared plus 2xy plus 3y squared. Now, if we are to, if we differentiate this, you can see we have xy here, both the dependent and the independent variable here. I also have another one here also. Now, this shows that this is what? An implicit function. An implicit function, or we can say implicit differentiation. A differentiation, a pattern of differentiation where you see both the dependent and the independent variable and you differentiate them separately is what we mean by implicit differentiation here. So I'm going to use the implicit method of differentiation to solve this. You get? So if you differentiate x squared, you're going to have what? 2x plus. Now, if you differentiate x, it will be 1. So if you differentiate with respect to x, if you differentiate x by differentiating this with respect to x, you are going to have plus 2y and then plus. If we differentiate in respect to y, we are going to have 2x dy dx. That's what we are differentiating with respect to y. Now this also, remember all of this is equal to what? 7. So if we differentiate this with respect to y, this will give us what? Plus 6y dy dx to be equal to what? The derivative of a constant is what? 0. You get? Now let's observe something. We see dy dx, see dy dx. That means these two are common. What makes them common is dy dx and dy dx. So we are going to move all of this to the other side of the equation. This will give us 2x dy over dx plus 6y dy plus 6y dy over dx is equal to, if 2x crosses over, we're going to have negative 2x, and if positive 2y crosses over, we're going to have negative 2y. Now, you can see we have dy dx common here, so we can factor dy dx out. So our dy over our dx, that will give us 2x plus 6y to be equal to. If we observe here also, you can see 2 is common. So if I'm taking minus 2 out, what will be left is what? X plus y. You get it? Now if I'm dividing, because what I'm looking at, remember what we are looking at, we are looking for what? The y x, that's we are looking for the slope. So this is what we are looking for. So to have this, we are going to divide both sides by what? By the coefficient of dy dx, and this is the coefficient. So divide both sides by what? 2x plus 6y. So divide here by what? 2x plus 6y. You get it? So that this will cancel out this. You get it? So taking all of this upward, we can say our dy over our dx will be equal to minus 2 into x plus y divided by what? 2x plus 6y. That will be our dy dx. Now it doesn't end here because we are asked to find the slope at the point 1, 2. X is 1, y is 2. So we substitute in. So we can say at the point x equal to y equal to 2. Bringing all of this in, and y is equal to 2. X is equal to 1, y equal to 2. If we bring this into this function we have, we can see that our dy over our dx will be equal to minus 2 into, in place of x, 1 plus, in place of y, 2 all over 2 into, in place of x, 1 plus 6 into, in place of y, 2. You get this is our dy over dx will be equal to minus 2 into 1 plus 2, 3, divided by 2 into 1 is 2 plus 6 into 2 is what? 12. Now our dy over our dx will be equal to minus 2 times 3 is minus 6. 2 plus 12 is what? 14. Now we are putting minus 6 over 14, which is equal to what? 2 can go into 6 how many times? 3 times. 2 can go into 14 how many times? 7 times. So our dy dx at the point x equal to 1 and 2 will be equal to what? Minus 3 over 7 or negative 3 over 7. Share this video, subscribe to this channel, and like this video. Also comment. I will see you in my next class. Bye.